Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about rinsing parts and how long do you rinse them for before they're ready to go for either touch-up or clear coat. So let's move over here. Let's check out some parts that we've already got dipped and we have not rinsed them yet and show you a few things about it. So we've got a few of these parts sitting here that we've already dipped. Got a couple of speed shapes, an AR-15. And so how long do you rinse them for? Now, that's going to be a little relative on mainly a couple of things. Number one, water pressure. Number two, the main thing is going to be the actual temperature of the water. And so what you'll see after you dip any of your parts is that they feel very, very slimy. You can also see that they have a very nice shiny sheen to them all the way around. They almost look like they have been already clear coated in a gloss clear coat. So what we need to do now is we need to rinse them off. Now, rinsing is very simple. You can use literally a water hose, just like this right here. You can use a rinse station like this. You can put them in a sink, anything like that. The main thing is that you just want the water running over it to help wash away a lot of the PVA. So then that way all you're left is just the ink itself. And so we're just gonna turn this on to the nice shower setting and then we'll just start rinsing it. Most of the time, a couple of minutes of rinsing is all that you need. Now, a couple of things to make sure of is that you don't want to hit it full blast with a hard setting. So you don't want something like this right here whenever it's just hammering the part. You want to just have a nice smooth just rinse, and you can use a shower setting like that. You can even have it at the angle or the flat setting, even something like this right here. You can see it's hitting it, but it's not a lot of pressure. Even on full blast, if we're back here, we're still not hurting it hardly at all. Now, again, you can even have it on the full blast here, but of course, just make sure that we're dropping that back down. Even something like this right here is still perfectly fine. I prefer the shower setting because it hits it a lot with a lot of small little areas of the water, so that way it'll help rinse it off a lot quicker. So the other thing to remember is of course, the hotter the water, the quicker the PVA dissolves. So therefore, if you have hot water, then that'll definitely make it dissolve and get off of the part a lot quicker. But other than that, even just this simple rinse that we've done just right here has rinsed off probably about 80% of the stuff itself, of the PVA itself. And so it's hard to see right now, but I can clearly feel this and it does not feel very slimy anymore. It feels like just a wet part, and you can start to see that we're starting to get a little bit more sheen difference in it. So whenever it dries, it will dry to more of a flatter sheen instead of the high gloss sheen that you have. So as you can see, rinsing the parts is not a very hard task. It is something super easy and pretty quick. So a lot of the times I like to put a few of those in there together, maybe in a rinse station or in some type of area that I'm rinsing in. So that way I can rinse them all at one time and help save a little bit of time rinsing them all at once. So I know this video is really quick and hopefully it has really helped you guys out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd always love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as if you have any other ways of rinsing or you found something better, we'd always love to hear about that as well. Also, if you're interested in any of the hydrographics and looking to get started in the business, we're gonna have links in the description below where you can check out the entire website that has everything that you're gonna need for the hydrographics, including the film, the training, the tanks, and of course the activator and everything that's needed for the hydrographic process. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.